So the wires are quite logically labeled over here. The blue wire over here is the auto wash sensor cable, or this is a turbidity sensor as it's known in the industry. So this will go only in one direction, so that turns around likewise. Just gotta get it in, and there's a little black tab up there that holds it and secures the connection. Next up is our power cable that comes in for the wash motor. Now the earth cables on the outer side, and the two power cables, active and neutral, are the red cables up there. So that's for the wash pump. That runs your heating element essentially. Okay, so that's your heating element sensor, which plugs in there. Now I always make sure that there's no water over here, because that goes near your connector, you have problems. So always wipe this corner first, make sure there's nothing before you put it in. See, even this little bit of water up there can have a possibility to get in there, so we want to keep water to a minimum. So this part will now connect, slide, it's gone upside down, so that's the plug up there, and that will mate and connect up there and click in place. So that's essentially what it is. Now it's quite logical, the lengths of the cable are such that you can't mix them up. So this power cable will clip in, so that's the wire for the wash pump, the 3-phase wash pump up there, and this is the harness that goes in for the drain pump. And finally, not forgetting, you also need to power up your diverter motor, which is located up there. Clip that in. Now we also have our float micro switch, which we need to hook up. So for that, I'm going to get this cable, run it into the harness over here, just make sure everything is back as it should be, and that's it, pointing in this direction. It's two lugs that hold it in place, and done. So this part is complete.